Welcome Inventor users to another I Get It Tech Tip. In this series we'll be looking at 120 Autodesk Inventor tips. Number 21. Orthographic and Perspective Views. On the View tab, on the Appearance panel, we have an option for Orthographic, Perspective, and Perspective with Ortho Faces views. With the Perspective and Ortho Faces option, if we look at a face, the perspective view is changed to the orthographic view in this mode. If we go back to an angle, notice that the perspective view comes back. We also have options for these different views on the view cube. If we right-click on the view cube, here we also have options for orthographic, perspective, and perspective with ortho faces. One other place that we can also change this is on the navigation toolbar. If we select the Customize button and select Projection, notice that we now have an option for our view options. We have an option here for orthographic view and an option for perspective view. Notice that on the navigation toolbar we do not have the option here for perspective with ortho faces. And that's it. I hope to see you in another Inventor Tech Tip.